Alright viewers, my FJD acted up again, fixing junk disease. 2 Yamaha Waverunners, cheapest on marketplace. Will they run? He said, I think he drained the gas out of this one. I don't think that doesn't feel like it's engaging the choke. Yeah, I can hear the choke engaging. Let's see if it'll start. Water hose and we'll hook it up. Alright, let's try starting it again. Can you guys see? Does that look like it's been full of water to you? You guys see that? Alright. We got water on it. Let's see if we can let it run for a minute. Smoke coming out of it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds like the prop isn't turning. Let's start it up again. There shouldn't be that much smoke coming out of that thing. All right, look in there, guys. Keep an eye on that. Can you guys see the prop in there? Help me find the exhaust leak in here. We'll start with that. Can you guys hear it dripping? It's probably where the exhaust leak is. Let's start right there. Let's start right there and see. Can you guys see in there? You guys are a little thinner than me. Did you guys get in there and look? I wasn't able to see in there. I can't get my head in there, but you guys are a little smaller, so let's have a, thanks for looking for me, guys. You hear that, guys? That ain't the jet ski. We got a guy driving on his rim. All right, you guys are gonna have to take a look down there. We got water coming in down there. I think we got a hole in the crankcase. I can feel a little piece of metal and there's some oil coming out. So let's check the other one. Let's hook the water up on this one. See if we get any compression, any, I don't know. That one, hole in the crankcase. You could see the exhaust gas coming out and the water coming out, so we'll have to pull the engine on that one. Let's turn the water on this one, make sure, see if it's the same problem. I don't see any, I don't hear any water. Wet plug there. Wet plug there, you see that? All right, let me get my compression tester. Actually, let's see if it's got spark. Yeah, I know, that's annoying. You guys see that? It's got spark. Doesn't have any fuel in it though. All right, let's get a compression tester. I think that's the low oil alarm. It doesn't have any oil in it or gas. Can you guys see? Maybe a little bit. I think this is like an Amazon compression tester or Harbor Freight, I don't know. I wonder where that buzzer is. I'd like to undo it. That's annoying. Let's try this. And 120, that one's good. Whoops, you guys stick around for a minute. Thing's annoying, guys. Tell it to stop. Oh, there it goes. You just got to tell it, I guess. Tell that sucker to stop and it'll stop beating, whining at you. All right, give her a go. I ain't getting anything on this one. There's your problem. We got a dead cylinder or bad reed valve maybe. We're gonna have to pull this one out too. I should have just done that, huh? Yeah, I don't have anything on this one. Alright, so we got a dead cylinder on this one. We got a hole in the block on that one. Alright, one last scientific experiment. We'll see if that piston's coming up and down. Yep. Alright, so we may have either a valve on that front piston or a, who knows, we'll have to dig in there and see. So they both got to come out. Both of the motors have to come out. I was hoping for something simple, but as cheap as I got them, I didn't get anything simple. They're easy enough to work on. These have reed valves, which are real simple. All right, that's it for the video. The cheapest jet skis, Waverunners on Marketplace. They don't run. Well, that one runs, but boy, it's got a hole in the crankcase. There's a huge exhaust leak coming from the crankcase somewhere. You guys got a better look at it than me. Maybe you can tell me damage on these. So I've got to pull both of the motors out, maybe cobble one together. That's got a hole in the crankcase. This has, the front piston isn't developing any compression. You know what? We'll get them put back together. You guys can come ride with me. It'll be fun.